Hey YouTube, so today's upgrade for the Can-Am X3 we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a seat riser. We're going to put them in the back as well as the front. So I'll show you what it is here. So you have like your nuts that hold the seat down, right down in there. They are I believe it's like an 18 millimeter. I'm going to grab my wrench over here so we can go ahead and take them out. So now that we've removed those bolts holding that seat down, all you have to do is pivot this thing, pull it forward, then you have access to those two bottom bolts right there. So is what we're gonna do. So I picked these up for 30 bucks at MotoZoo in St. George, Utah. There's a guy that fabricates these. But it's what you'll do, get these off there, is you're gonna take one of these studs, it's threaded on the opposite end there, and you'll just thread it right down on that bolt there. Just get them snug. So now that we got those seat risers in, this is about how much it lifts it up on the front. Still has a little bit of recline to it. As you can see, the passenger over there is not. The driver is. You can actually see a lot better. It's still pretty comfortable. They work really well, so I suggest you get them if you think they lean back a little too far, you know, as these seats are.